Oof, what a trick! You won't believe your eyes. If A1, A2, A3, n are in GP, then value of these determinant log of an, log of an plus 1, log of an plus 2, log of an plus 3, log of an plus 4, log of an plus 5, log of an plus 6, log of an plus 7, log of an plus 8. What is the value of this determinant? Now let us apply a special trick. We have to assume a special GP. Suppose A1 equal to 2, A2 equal to 2 square, A3 equal to 2 cube, A4 equal to 2 to the power 4, A5 equal to 2 to the power 5, A6 equal to 2 to the power 6, A7 equal to 2 to the power 7, A8 equal to 2 to the power 8, A9 equal to 2 to the power 9, and so on. Now 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5 are in GP. Now assume n equal to 1. N equal to 1. Now the determinant becomes log of an. So log of a1. Log of a1. What is the value of a1? a1 is 2. Log of an plus 1, that is you put the value n equal to 1, so you get log of a2. What is the value of a2? 2 square. So we write here log of 2 square. And what is the value of log of an plus 2? Put n equal to 1. So you get a1 plus 2, that is a3. What is the value of a3? 2 cube. So you get log of 2 cube. And in this way you can write log of 2 to the power 4, log of 2 to the power 5, log of 2 to the power 6, log of 2 to the power 7, log of 2 to the power 8, and log of 2 to the power 9. Now the determinant becomes log of 2, 2 into log 2, applying the rule of logarithm, and it is 3 into log 2, it is 4 into log 2, it is 5 into log 2, it is 6 into log 2, it is 7 into log 2, 8 into log 2, and 9 into log 2. Now you can take common log 2 from each column. So we get log 2 cube, and inside the determinant we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now can you solve this determinant mentally? Yes, it can be done. Look, log 2 cube, first row 1, 2, 3, and we subtract first row from second row, so you get 3, 3 and 3, and we subtract first row from third row and you get 6, 6 and 6. Now you can understand, you can take common 3 from second row and 6 from third row, and you get log 2 cube, 3 into 6, and inside the determinant 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So second row and third row are identical, so it becomes 0. So A is the right answer.